Today we're here at Fairfax County Government Center and we're celebrating positive aging with the Positive Aging and Wellness Fair. A lot of the exhibitors that we have here today and the workshops that we have are focusing on positive ways of taking care of yourself as you age. We have vendors from the county, different services that are available to seniors. We have lots of living communities here that serve the adult population. Really any type of a vendor who is primarily focused on the adult 55 plus community.
That number you will get a trained social worker.
We have Pat Collins from NBC4 who's coming, who always has an interesting way of looking at life.
Seniors are still relevant. You know why? Because we have a lot of experience. We have a lot of wisdom. We have a lot of buying power.
The participants, when they leave today, they should feel really positive about how much Fairfax County has to offer. There are so many ways for them to be active and involved and thriving in the community and leave with so many resources for really any type of need that you have. That it's important for us to let the senior population here know that they're well cared for and there's all kinds of things for them to be involved with and to feel connected.